The All-On-4 is a absolutely wonderful procedure that we have available to us now in dentistry for replacing your full dentition. So typically it's for people with failing teeth where there are no teeth available to save. It's typically when there's severe periodontitis or some type of trauma. Lots of things can affect and cause one to need their full arches restored. So with an All-On-4, essentially instead of having individual implants for each tooth that can be extremely pricey, we're able to place 4 implants in an arch and restore a full arch of teeth. And the beautiful thing about All-On-4 is that they are permanent, so it's not something that ever comes out. So you can eat, function, chew, everything that you normally would. My favorite part of All-On-4 is the way that it enhances your look. So when someone is missing a lot of teeth, it ages them. It makes them look considerably older than they actually are. When we do an All-On-4, it almost gives you the look of having a facelift. It takes decades off of how you look, and that's really life-changing. The All-On-4 procedure is very well planned ahead of time, so you will not be without teeth at any point. The day that the teeth are extracted, we place a temporary All-On-4 denture. It's highly aesthetic. It allows you to leave the office with beautiful teeth and be able to eat and function and smile and be happy immediately afterwards. So there is a healing process. Things do have to integrate. That varies from patient to patient depending on what your needs were initially. So if you had several teeth that remained and the bone was relatively healthy, you're of course going to have a shorter healing time versus someone who maybe had some severe bone loss and or trauma. So it could go anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks to maybe a few more months or so. But when you are in the temporary stage, that whole time you are wearing a beautiful temporary restoration. What I really love about the All-On-4 procedure, what really truly moves me the most, is being able to take someone from a situation where they have, failing teeth, they aren't able to smile like they want to express themselves, they are afraid to talk, they can't eat and chew and enjoy their food and enjoy life. To take them from that situation to giving them a brand new set of teeth, which changes everything for them. It changes the way they look, it changes the way they feel, it changes the way they just live their everyday life, and that is just the best gift ever.